Hello everyone, my name is MC Alex. I'm right here at Turf City to introduce you this very reliable car dealer established since 2001, Autotrust Traders Pte Ltd. Check out the wide range of cars that Autotrust Traders has, from reliable and trustworthy Japanese brands like Toyota and Honda, not forgetting the up-and-coming Korean brands like Hyundai and Kia, to your luxurious and comfortable continental cars like Mercedes, Audi and BMW. For those need for speed drivers, they also have exotic cars like Nissan GTR and Mercedes CLA 45. Having a combined experience of more than 50 years in the automobile industry, Autotrust Traders, besides dealing with second-hand cars, they also provide personal cars for private hire and of course for corporate long-term leasing. And of course, as you can see, they occupy 4 lots right here in Turf City. As you can see, that is the size of the company. And the most important thing is they actually established their in-house financing in 2016 so as to make the car buying experience smooth for all buyers who come to Autotrust Traders. Having an established reputation in the automobile industry, Autotrust Traders have awards to speak for the brand promise, which is where cars are our currency. As you can see, they've been awarded the SgCarMart Premium Dealer from 2017, and they just recently gotten the 2021 award, which signifies the top 30 in sales volume and being established in the industry for more than 5 years. So please rest assured that Autotrust Traders will deliver their promises to their customers and be transparent in their dealings. Having more than 150 rental cars out on the roads and being able to display up to 39 cars right here at Turf City, Autotrust Traders definitely have a car of your choice. Besides dealing with second-hand cars, they also have in-house financing and long-term corporate leasing. This is MC Alex, signing off.